some parts of the world. We're here at Dancious at Ashana Grand Hotel. So far, we are setting up for the awarding ceremony of the Little Mr. and Miss Philippines 2025. We'll see you.
Okay, there you are. Of course, Chloe Tagle with Best in Sportswear and also Best in Production. Okay, now Junior Best in Long Gown. Best in Long Gown is none other than Miss Sarah. Okay, Sarah, yes. Best in Long Gown, none other than Miss Sarah. Okay, now Junior Miss Week. Junior Miss Week goes to Chantel. Yeah, stay there, Sarah. Chantel for the Miss Week. Okay, Chantel is not here. We'll accept this award in behalf of Chantel. Our next one. Okay, there are some of the candidates who's not here, so we're gonna keep some of the awards of the candidates. But let me recap. Yes, all the awards. Yes, yeah. I'm gonna call on one by one. Once again, we've got the Junior Best in Creative Costume, which is
yes, ito pong ating creative actually last time. So, first winner is Sarah. But I decided to choose some of the children because you know, maraming deserving that time for the creative na nag-effort po yung mananay. So, I just wanted to call the other awards for the Best in Creative Costume. Cinderella. The other one is Eric. And of course, Sarah. Yes. Uulitin ko lang po yung ating award kasi medyo nalilito si Derek kasi handwritten po ito. It's my doctor's. So ako na po ang mag-announce para po hindi tayo So, Junior Best in Long Gown, Sarah. Yung pong iba na award na po during that time sa Pakistani Auditorium, ididikap lang po natin at itatama po yung iba pong awards na hindi po nakuha ng ating mga bata. So, Junior Miss Friendship, Zina. Junior Miss Catwalk, Chloe Tagle. Junior Miss Runway, Sarah. Junior Miss Glamorous. Junior Best in Sportswear, Chloe Tagle. Junior Miss Top Model, Chloe Nulod. Come over. Junior Miss Winsome Smile, Keisha. Junior Miss Feminine Look, Cinderella. Junior Miss Angel Face, Eric. Junior Miss Sweet, Sinte. Junior Miss Fashionista, Nasrin. Junior Best in Production, Chloe Tagle. Junior Miss Talent, Nasrin. Junior Miss Gorgeous, Sarah. And of course, the other is our major awards. Yun po ang ina-announce natin ngayon. Mami, pasensya na po kasi sa sobrang dami ng awards talaga natin. Medyo nalilito po talaga sa mga certificates, sa crown, at saka sa sashes po, no?
Right, okay, there we are, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give them a big round of applause for this special award. Thank you. We're just having some pictures. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and thank you. Smiling, you may now be seated. Thank you. Now we go for the major awards.